Finding Dory, Ocean of Color. Dory is a blue fish who lives in the sea. Marlin and Mimo are orange fish. Dory remembers her mom and dad. They are blue, like Dory. Dory swims into the deep, dark ocean. She wants to find her mom and dad. Dory meets Hank. He's red. Bailey is a big lookout whale. He's white. Destiny is a whale shark. She has white spot. The other is Blau. He loves to cuddle. Becky is a Lou. Her feathers are black, blue, and white. Dory sees a purple sea urchin. Dory finds many fish. There are lots of colors. Dory spies some pink coral. She is home. Dory sees yellow fish, but she does not see her mom and dad. Dory swims through the green kelp. Dory sees two fish. They're blue, like Dory. Dory finds her mom and dad. Dory loves her colorful family and friends. And that's the story of Finding Dory, Ocean of Color. Thanks for watching!